B. Dearth. The similar meaning of the word dry is B. Moist. The similar meaning of the word shortage is B. Dearth. The similar meaning of the word extreme is D. Severe. The opposite meaning of the word cultivate is C. Plant. The opposite meaning of the word rearing is A. Abandoning. According to this reading passage, some regions of the world are A. Green. There is no rainfall in these regions, and due to the shortage of water, there is no system of B. Water. Grass grows in abundance, so these areas serve as pasture lands for D. Cattle. The majority of people eat food like milk, butter, ghee, and meat, which is obtained from D. Cattle. The profession of cattle rearing is mostly adopted in climate regions like hot and C. Temperate. The synonym of the word realize is A. Understand. The antonym of the word grow is B. Decrease. The synonym of the word assign is A. Give. The antonym of the word mourn is C. Celebrate. The synonym of the word charitable is B. Giving. The antonym of the word hovering is B. Sunk. The synonym of the word harmony is C. Consistency. The antonym of the word fulfill is C. Conclude. The antonym of the word claim is A. Demand. The antonym of the word war is B. Peace. Choose the correct spelt word D. Achievement. Choose the correct spelt word B. Disparate. Choose the correct spelt word B. Magical. Choose the correct spelt word D. Irritated. Choose the correct spelt word B. Accident. We mustn't forget our heroes at any cost. A. My friend bought a banana, a slice of bread and a cup. C. We should always listen to the teachers patiently. C. I'm unclear about what you want me to do. A. Planes don't fly over an Atlantic Ocean because of its unpredictable weather. D. Hamza waved back blank them, but he was crying. D. With. The doctor has advised her to rest blank 2 weeks as she has typhoid. B. 4. As the coin fell down, it went blank the sofa. B. Beside. She had been learning piano blank 2 months. A. 4. I always listen carefully blank my parents' advice. B. 2. He had noticed the dirt on the children's boots. B. Third form. She sang the song, B. Sang. Select the question sentence from the following, interrogative, D. Is my mother love me? She was an intelligent student, fill the article, D, N. Select the adjective in the sentence. His performance, as usual, was excellent, A. His. The symbol of the empty set is, C, phi. Select the rational number from the following, A, square root 2. 125 is a cube of, B, 5. For any two real numbers A and B, the A plus B equals B plus A is, A, commutative property. Associative property of the union of O, Buck, is, B, AUB, U, C. When we convert 0.75 into the rational number, we get, B, 3/4. The square root of 1/4 is, B, 1/2. The cube root of 1000 is, C, 10. The additive inverse of square root 12 in simplified form is, A, dash square root 12. If, x6, equals, 2y6, then x plus y equals, B, 10. If AB and BC, then AC will be according to, A, transitive property. Which of the following is a singular matrix, A, 4, 6, 4, 6? If 18 is more than a number, it equals twice the number. The number will be, B, 9. If the base of a prism is 260 square centimeters and the height is 13 centimeters, its volume will be, D, 3,380 cubic centimeters. The area of a rectangle is x superscript 2, 5x plus 6, its length and width will be, C, x, 2, x, 3. A equals 3, 1, and B equals 7-5, are 2 points on the Cartesian plane. Calculate the distance between these 2 points, B, square root 113. The primary function of the ozone layer is, B, to regulate the Earth's temperature. Rainforest is best described as, B, a dense forest with high rainfall and biodiversity. An ecosystem consists of, C, biotic as well as abiotic components. A mosquito sucking human blood is an example of, B, commensalism. The process of conversion of liquid water into vapor is called, B, evaporation. The decomposers play an important role in, A, recycling nutrients. The leading cause of water pollution is, B, industrial waste. Deforestation causes, B, pollution by reducing oxygen levels and increasing CO2 levels in the atmosphere. The bond that forms by the sharing of electrons is called, B, covalent bond. The factor that primarily increases the reactivity of alkali metals is, B, increase in atomic size. The lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere is B. Troposphere. If you face an error in your reading due to improper functioning of an instrument, such an error is called A. Determinant error. MECET means D. Where we make niyya, aim for Hajj. Spreading the message of the Holy Quran has greatly impacted people because of it. C. Relates to life and human understanding.